I wanted to share a few tips for you to learn French faster. So first of all, try to get a tutor or a French teacher, somebody that can speak to you in French all the time and can explain to you, the basic expressions and speak like a native. With this person, try as much as you can to speak in French. I know it's hard. I know you want to use English or another language, and I know as soon as you're missing one word, you're trying to say it in English, but please just try it. If it's wrong, nobody cares, right? And you'll get it right next time. Try to learn some vocabulary and some verbs. So if you need French to travel, or if you need to speak French at work, or even if you're just want to speak French with some members of your family, then choose one specific category and stick to it. So, for example, if you need to travel to a French-speaking country, then write down some vocabulary that you will need over there. So, I don't know, if you need to take the plane, if you need to take the bus, write down some of this vocabulary and try to memorize it. It's gonna help you to remember and then speak French every time you need it. Try to focus on the simple conversation. It doesn't need to be hard, it doesn't need to be very complicated. Just try to use the basic words, the basic vocabulary that you have. It's gonna help you little by little to memorize the vocabulary that you need. I hope those tips will help you. Please comment and tell me what is your biggest challenge since you started learning French. And I'll promise I'll get back to you and I'll try my best to help you.